Hello. We have the algebraic expression 2 times the quantity x to the 4th power plus 9x all cubed minus 5x, and we need to evaluate it for x equals -2. To evaluate an expression, it means to find the value of this expression for a given value of the variable. So in the first step, we need to replace each x with -2. And because we will replace x with a negative number, we will have each -2 inside the parentheses. So we will write 2 parentheses, and then we will replace the first x with -2, so we will write -2 in parentheses to the 4th power, plus, now we will bring 9 down, and we will replace the next x with -2, all this cubed, minus 5 times -2. And now to simplify this expression, we will use the order of operations. And with the order of operations, if we have parentheses, we evaluate inside the parentheses first. And we perform the exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. In this expression, inside these parentheses, we have -2 to the 4th power plus 9 times -2. So first we will raise -2 to the 4th power, then we will multiply 9 times -2. So let's start by bringing 2 down. Then -2 to the 4th power is positive 16. And that is because -2 times -2 is 4, 4 times -2 is -8, and -8 times -2 is positive 16. Now 9 times -2 is -18, so we can write 16 plus -18, or just 16 minus 18, all this cubed. Then minus 5 times -2. Now, still inside the parentheses, we will subtract 16 and 18, and we will write 2, and 16 minus 18 is -2 cubed minus 5 times -2. In the next step, we will raise -2 to the 3rd power. So we will write 2, then -2 cubed is -8 minus 5 times -2. In the next step, we will perform the multiplications. 2 times -8 is -16. Then -5 times -2 is positive 10. So we will write plus 10, and -16 plus 10 is -6. So as you see, first we did the operations inside the parentheses. Then we did the exponent, then the multiplications. And here, because 5 times -2 is -10, and with another negative in front is positive 10, then the last operation is addition. And -16 plus 10 is -6. Thank you for watching.